The heating element in a dryer keeps failing due to poor airflow or a damaged thermostat. To address these issues, start by cleaning the vents. Begin by unplugging the dryer and moving it away from the wall to access the vent duct. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush wand attachment to agitate the lint inside the vent. Then vacuum the dust next. Go outside and remove the vent cover, using the brush wand and vacuum cleaner to remove any lint that has accumulated. Once the vent is clean, replace the vent cover and reattach the duct before restoring power to the dryer. If the thermostat is damaged, it will need to be replaced. To do this, unplug the dryer and remove the rear access panel. Disconnect the wires attached to the high-limit thermostat. Then remove the thermostat. Align the replacement part and reconnect the wires. Finally, reattach the rear access panel and restore power to the dryer. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your dryer's heating element.